Ralph is a waiter at a taco restaurant. He likes his job because the customers are really friendly, his coworkers are funny, the pay is pretty good. He does not want to work at the taco restaurant for the rest of his life, though. He wants to use his money to start his own company. He wants to create a phone app that allows people to talk to friends internationally. Ralph has all the plans for his app, but he just needs the money. If the app goes big, he could make millions. The people who came up with apps like Snapchat and GroupMe are extremely successful. Apps are a modern invention. It's pretty amazing what one good idea can do. Ralph notices a customer come in and serves him. Ralph compliments the man's watch. "Thank you. The truth is, I hate wearing it, but I need it because I have such a hectic schedule," he says. Ralph asks what he does for a living. The man explains that he buys apps from young entrepreneurs. Ralph jumps up and down with excitement. He tells the man about his app. He likes Ralph's idea and sets up a business conference meeting with him.